Hi Kareem, sorry it took me a little while to get to this issue, but I'm fixing to show you now how to use the Venus software to change your gasoline prices, diesel prices, and you could also create your own promotions, the promotions that you're running in your store. If you want to display that on the big sign, you could do that, okay? So for that, you will go to your Google Chrome. I've already got that open, so I'll open it up. You'll open up a new tab, okay? You will type this link, venus.daktronics.com. You may want to save this link. You will hit enter. My information is already saved here. I will email you that, my email and the password. I will send it to you. You will click on login. This is going to be your dashboard. Right now it's saying communication error, and it's saying last connection December the 7th because you turn off the sign at this time. So as soon as you turn it back on, the communication will back on, and it will show you your current slides that you would be running on the sign, okay? Now, we're going to talk about a few things. This is going to be your dashboard, and this is going to be your media. So this is my media library. Then in another link I will send you, that's like hour-and-a-half long training that you will have to pay attention to, and that's going to show you how to create these slides using web presentation, using image, using content content studio, like that. So these are the three platforms that I use. It's part of the software, so you will get to that. But anyway, right now I'm just going to talk about the gasoline prices. So let's say this is your gasoline price right here. I know there are 2 or 3 and I was trying to do an experiment like putting this smaller 9. It didn't work out for me. I didn't have enough time to research on them, but maybe you could do that. So this is a slide I was using: regular, off-road, non-ethanol, and diesel 2.399. okay, so you can see this is 2 non-ethanol. This is what we are not using, and this is the active one right here. So what you will do now, let's say you want to change the gasoline price to $2.12. Okay, I'm just giving an example. You will click on it. The minute you click on it right here in the center, the minute you hit the click button, this screen will pop up. Okay, then you will click on this pencil thing. When you do that, this screen will pop up. You see this 2.219, the black thing? You will click right here. And if you notice that on this slide, it's like 2 portions. One is regular. If I click on regular, it's selecting the regular, and text box is showing regular. So we will click on 2.219, and you see this is in the text box. So here I will change it to 2.129, and that's pretty much it. You will hit save, and you will hit exit. Now, when you turn on the sign, it's going to show you 212, and you can verify that by going to dashboard. But right now it's not showing you anything because its DMP is down, But here it should show you the slide, the current slide that it's playing. So it will show you how it's going to be playing outside. So that's how you are going to do it. I'll give you another example, So we will go back in the media library, and we will change the price for diesel. Okay, I will click right there. Then I will click on the pencil, which is edit. I will click on the bottom part where the prices is, and I will go to text box. This time I want to change it to 244, let's say. Okay, I will do save and exit. There you go. Immediately when you do that, the price should reflect outside on the sign. So that's pretty much it. I will still go over a few things. This is your playlist. Okay, for example, this is the fountain drink, this is the regular gas. If you notice that everything that is active, that's what's going to be playing outside on the sign. Okay, so we'll talk about 2 things: fountain drink and the regular gas. So you will click on the fountain drink, and if you notice that start May 15th, and there is no ending date because we want this promotion to go on every single day. We will click on this thing. This is days of the week, except Sunday, because Sunday we were closed, and we wanted to show this promotion every single day. We didn't want to show this promotion on Sunday because what's the point? We're promoting 49 cents and the store is not open. So we kind of like put a stop on that, by doing this thing. Now it will play on Sunday. Now it will not play on Sunday. It will not play on Sunday now. Okay? So this is the starting time. This is the ending time. The store closed at 8 p.m. So we didn't want the promotion to show after 8 p.m. So, basically we stopped all the promotions at 8 p.m. After 8 p.m. we just displayed the gas price sign. Confirm. I'm not going to confirm, but whenever you make changes, you will hit confirm. And that's pretty much it. The changes will apply immediately. Okay, so, that's that. So I will just hit on cancel right now. Okay. And, exit this thing. Now I will show you the gasoline, regular gasoline. I will click on it. It's very simple. It's really very, very simple. Like, if you don't know, it's going to look complicated, but it's very simple. So start on March 9. You will click on it. And if you notice that this is playing every single day. There is no time range or anything because I didn't set the time range because I wanted to display every single day, every single minute. But the way this is going to work is, like, if you go back in the dashboard, it's going to show you 15 seconds it's going to play regular gas, then 15 seconds or 10 seconds it's going to play non-ethanol, then another 10 seconds diesel, then, all the slides. But after 8 p.m., all those lights will shut off, and then your regular gas will just keep on going. And you can make changes according to your thing. So that's pretty much it. The rest, reports and stuff, I don't know much about it, but it's very simple to figure out. Like, once you take the training class, it'll make sense to you. This is the profile right here, my profile. You can create another account for somebody else. I'm giving you the executive account level, so you can basically, if you have an employee or something, or if you will have your manager or something, they can do that for you as well. So, here we will just do log out. And that's pretty much it. So I hope it's clear now. So I hope you can use this now. Thank you.